received your message. I'm in my secret hideout because we know you're going to destroy us. I have sent my 2 best field explorers to answer your questions. And we also have a food supply.
Welcome to the Atacama Desert. Right now it's about 68 degrees out here, even though it's the middle of July. The reason for that is thanks to Earth's tilt. You see, the Earth is tilted so that the northern hemisphere is facing the sun, and it's leaning towards it. But the southern hemisphere is leaning away from it. So, even though it's winter down here, it's summer up in the northern. This place is a terrible place to get lost. It's the driest place in the world, besides Antarctica. You do not want to get lost out here. Luckily, I know how to survive tough conditions, so just follow me. Come on, let's go. Alright, the first tip to surviving is make sure you have plenty of water. Right now I have a couple water bottles with me that I should survive soon. But use your water wisely, okay? I'm just gonna take a little sip. Oh, that wasn't good. Now that I lost some of my water, I should find a water source. So, come on, let's go. Come on, quick. Yeah, they have water fountains pretty much everywhere in the desert. You can find them anywhere. You just have to know where to look. Luckily, I found a good water source, so I'll be good on water now.
Right now, I'm in the Amazon jungle, and the weather here and the seasons are about the same as it is next to me in Argentina and Chile. But the weather here is way different. The reason for that is the Atlantic Ocean is right over there, a few hundred miles below. And the water evaporates and the wind blows it towards us, and it dumps all this water here. Another reason for it being wet is that because we're in a basin right now, and the basin is like the lowest point of Brazil. The reason for basins is because 2 plates collide together and squish the 3rd plate and makes it wrinkle and go down. So that's why we're in a basin. Whoa, is that a wild water bottle? Better get it now while I have the chance.
Okay, so that warm water was horrible, but that's not my main problem right now. Right now, I'm running short on food, so I need to find some food. Come on, let's go. Whoa, whoa, whoa. You see those? Those are the Andes Mountains. Those mountains were formed by the South American and Pacific plate colliding and pushing upward. And those mountains are the reason that this desert here formed. Here's my chart. You see, the clouds that come from the windward side of the mountain drops all their water right there. And where we are, the leeward side of the mountain, gets no water at all from those clouds, which forms the desert. This is called the rain shadow effect. Now, let's go find some food. Alright, I found a food source, but I'm not sure if these leaves are safe to eat. Luckily, I have my smartphone with me, so I can just Google it. Ooh, an Angry Birds update. Just give me a sec. It's gonna take a while. Luckily, this tree also has lays. That's why it's called a lays tree. So, might as well just take these.
This water bottle I shot earlier is bleeding pretty badly, so I'm gonna just leave it to die. Anyway, some landforms in Brazil are the Amazon basin. The Amazon basin forms when 2 plates push on the 3rd plate, causing the 3rd plate to dip down and wrinkle, making the basin. Another type of landform is a delta over there. Deltas are formed by erosion and a bunch of sediments are deposited there, making the delta. The third type of landform is the Atlantic Ocean. The Atlantic Ocean was formed when Pangea was still together and South America and Africa split apart and water filled the gap. Anyway, whoa, Atlantic Ocean. I'm not sure if the water is over there safe to drink. think it might be salt water, but I am thirsty. I know, I'll drink my own pee. I'm gonna pee on this rag and I'm gonna squeeze it into my mouth. Man, that was salty. Oh. But pee's still water, right? And water means survival. Alright, let's move on. Vamonos! Come on, let's go!
So my Angry Birds update wouldn't really work, but at least I found that lay tree. It probably didn't work because the climate out here is so hot and dry. I mean, that reminds me, the climate out here is obviously a desert. It has really hot summers, but mild winters. The only thing that grow here are like snakes, maybe a few rodents, and cacti, like that one. Now, it's getting a little dark, so I should find some shelter. Whoa, is that a park bench? Perfect, come on, let's go. They have park benches all over the desert. They put it there especially for you to sleep. So I'm just gonna take a nap here for a second for the night.
Alright, see those cliffs? You see down those cliffs down there? You see all that water? That was caused by the Rio de Janeiro River flooding up and flooding towns, and the mudslides caused by it have killed hundreds of people in the past. But I can't do anything about that now. The best thing I can do is survive, so I gotta find a place to sleep. There's a perfect place for me to sleep in tonight. Come on, let's go. Alright kids, can you do me a favor and say tree? Alright, and I'm gonna climb this tree and sleep in it tonight. Snake! 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 Run!
Whoa. Right now there's an earthquake. Remember, stop, drop, and roll. No, wait, get down. Thank God. Luckily, only earthquakes last for a couple seconds. Earthquakes always happen in Chile. That's one of its main natural disasters. Luckily, none of us were hurt. We should be good. Most earthquakes happen because two plates slide past each other, causing the ground to shake, which causes an earthquake. So, yeah.
My climate, which is the rainforest climate, makes it wet and causes these swamps and wetlands to grow. And way over there in Chile, the desert causes it to be really dry and making stuff really hard to survive. Those are the biomes around these places. Oh, I'm so tired. The bugs have been biting me throughout this week. Is that a boat? Hey! Over here! Hey!